In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage time edits and approvals in QuickBooks Time, step by step, using the browser version. Start by opening your preferred web browser and logging in to QuickBooks Time. Once you're in, head over to the left-hand menu and click Approvals. This brings up the list of submitted time entries that are waiting for your review. Think of this page as your control center for verifying what's been worked, by whom, and for which customer or job. Take a moment to scan the list. Look at the team member's name, the date, the total hours, and any linked customer or service item. You're checking for accuracy, so payroll and project reporting stay clean. When you notice an entry that needs a closer look or a change, click that entry to open it. Inside the entry, review the details carefully. If the total hours are off, adjust them to reflect the actual time worked. If the time was assigned to the wrong customer or job, switch it to the correct one. And if the service item isn't accurate, update it so labor is categorized properly. Small corrections here make a big difference in downstream reports. When your edits are complete, click Save to apply the changes. Saving ensures your adjustments are recorded before you move on. After saving, decide whether the entry is ready to move forward. Select Approve to confirm that everything is accurate and good to go. If the entry still isn't correct and needs to be fixed by the person who submitted it, choose Reject. Approving confirms the entry for payroll and reporting, while rejecting sends a clear signal that it needs attention before it can be finalized. If your list is long, use filters to narrow what you're seeing. You can filter by team member, customer, or date to focus on a specific group of entries. This is especially helpful during busy pay periods or when you're auditing hours for a particular client or project. Work your way through all pending time entries, repeating this review, edit, save, and approve process until everything is accurate. Consistency here helps prevent payroll delays and keeps job costing and utilization reports reliable. Building a quick routine, reviewing details, making precise changes, and approving right away will save you time and reduce back and forth later. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can confidently manage time edits and approvals in QuickBooks Time using your browser, keeping your records clean and your payroll process smooth. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for